This is weekly task 2 tutorial. I'm just going to show you quickly how I did that. So the first thing I did is I created 2 little variables. I assigned x to the value of 5, y to the value of 3. And we're just practicing some arithmetic operators here. So we're just printing x plus y. You want to get the difference between the two, so that was x minus y. And then the product, which is multiplying, so it's x multiplied by y there. I'll show you them quickly. You have 8, so 5 plus 3 is 8, 5 minus 3 is 2, 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, the second one then. Just clear it quickly. Right, so your optional extension then was page 19, task 4. So we had to just create a bit of code that transforms Fahrenheit to Celsius. So what I did was we put Fahrenheit assigned to the value of 87. Celsius then equals, or we just put in the formula there. So we assigned it to the formula 5 divided by 9 times Fahrenheit, so this number here, minus 32. And then I wanted to round my answer of Celsius to 0 degrees, 0 decimal places. So then you just printed that. So the Celsius equivalent to 87 degrees Fahrenheit is Celsius. Then, well done. Let's just double check that. So the Celsius equivalent to 87 degrees is 31. Well done. Okay, lads.